What's going on, YouTube? Today we are unboxing a Reel Yaks Kayak. Their modular rocket 9.8. I'm saying a lot. Don't say Alright. What's going on, YouTube? We are oh fuck. What's going on, YouTube? Today we're unboxing a Reel Yaks Kayak. It's a modular setup, 9.8 foot. So basically it's two pieces and cue time lapse.
Oh no!
Oh, why didn't that work? Let's try it again. That would have probably helped. Look at all the different ones that they sell.
Seat raisers.
Mine's the rocket. Seat risers? Yeah. I didn't buy those, but they came with it?
Yeah.
Some bitch! Good, I'm glad I didn't buy those.
It'd probably be nice to sit a little higher. Yeah. I'm sure the higher you sit, the better visibility you have, and then the less stability you have.
Correct. Don't look at that. All the different ones they sell.
This son of a bitch is, this is basically a canoe. It's going to be more
Oh, yeah.
This is wide as
This, oh my god, we're so done. Ta-da! That'll work.
Okay, dude. Enjoy that. You're right.
Well, I think that's everything. I have no idea what this is for. Alright guys, here is the Reel Yaks Rocket 9.8 foot modular kayak. Got a rudder, bunch of pulley cables that run up to the handle. We've got Some nice quick clips for our backup maneuverability. Seat risers. Adjustable backrest. Plenty of storage space. And a fishing rod holder. Prop drive. All kinds of storage. Well, we'll see how she does out on the water. See you then. What's going on, YouTube? Today we are unboxing a Reel Yaks Kayak. It's a modular setup. So those of you that don't have a good place to store a kayak, it's basically two pieces. This is a 9.8 foot. I'm saying a lot again. Fuck! What's going on, YouTube? We are unboxing a Reel Yaks Kayak, the 9.8 foot modular. Fuck.